Hey, hi, you are watching JP Tarot, and right now I'm going to do love reading for the month of October for the water signs Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. If you have your Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces sign in the Sun, Moon, Rising sign, then this reading is for you. Okay, if you have your Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces placement in your Sun, Moon, Rising sign, this reading is for you. You can check out my past video for the month of July, August and September to get a clear insight for this for the overall situation you are passing through. You will get clear vision about your situation. I am going to deal with this past, present, future and clarification and outcome cards. Okay, this is not a three card reading, this is a detailed one, so wait for a while, you will get all your answers here. So you, in the past you were blindfold, you were not able to see anything, and right now also you are juggling. Okay, and in the future you will feel with you once again you will feel with passion towards a person. So, and see this, oh my god. So what a mess. In the past you were blindfold, currently you are juggling, and if you will juggle you will not be able to decide anything for your future also. That's the you are what you are bringing in to the present situation is this card. Okay, due to that blindfoldness and inability to see anything, you are juggling right now, and this you are from that blindfold situation, not a non ability to see anything what's going to come your way, is putting you in an indecisive mode, which is taking you to a juggling like situation. You are not a due to that blindfold you will not be able to take any decision, then so you will juggle in the present. Okay, so you will juggle in the present, and if you will continue to juggle in the present, you are not going to have any stability. In order to end this juggling, you will have to have passion towards your person in to bring in this stability. Okay, not I don't want to link up that card. Okay, but since these two cards are very great, okay, so I'm going to tell you by that juggling. So since these cards don't say reversals, okay, but I will have to read both sides. So by juggling you will not have this passion and stability. By juggling, okay, you will not have this passion and stability. Okay, so you will have to end this juggling in the present situation in order to get this passion and stability in the future. Okay, are you getting me? So see this, if you will end this juggling, have passion for your person, have stability, stable emotion towards your person, you will have this success in your relationship. So what's these cards are saying, that in the month of October you will expect a success in this relationship, since you have this overflowing passion and stable emotion for your person. You will expect a success in this relationship, though you are juggling, though you are indecisive because of blindfold that is coming from the past. Might be you wanted some clarity. Yes, go to my last video, you will get the link. Okay, you wanted some clarity, you didn't get that, you are till that you are in blindfold, though you want this to take some decision, but you are juggling because you are still now having this juggling blindfold because you are not able to see, because you want to clarity, though that you will have to see that video. Okay, sorry about that bite, anything discrepancies you are getting. Okay, so okay, so you were just blindfold, you were not able to take decision. Right now also you are juggling because might be you are not having that clarity till date, though you have passion and stable emotion towards your person and this expectation of success. Okay, since this is not expectation card, you want this success. This is not expectation, this is acquisition of success. Okay, so might be you will get some clarity, might be your blindfold is going to be just removed from your eyes. You will able to get that decision and this juggling, have this passion, stability, and you will ultimately get this success in this relationship. Are you getting me? And this juggling. Okay, this is the most, this is the whatever unclarity and indecision you had in your past, but your present is also not helping you. Okay, you need to make some decision is needed to have this all good stuff in your life, this passion, this stability, and this success. Okay, so are you getting me? Please decide, please decide. This blindfold, this indecisiveness, this juggling is not going to lead you towards this passion, stability, and success. Okay, so this is the link up card, this is the present card. You need to have to decide right now, in the present moment, in the present month, in the month of October, to where to head, towards this success or again towards a back step towards that indecisive indecisive blindfold situation. Okay, so decide and move ahead with great passion, stability towards that success. That's all for you, water sign, for the month of October. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. And you need to check out my other videos. Sorry about that shake. Okay, my my past videos of water signs, so you will get clear insight about the situation. However, you are advised to decide, okay, what do you want to do with that person. If that you have stable emotion for that person, you need to decide to take them in your life. Or if you don't have such as position, if you are married or you have not stable feelings towards your person, or you have your side, you feel like you are done, please deal with it, please. I feel you have stable emotions, so you will have to decide for a great future. Okay, if you are not married. Okay, this is not a suggestion for a married person. Okay, that's all for you. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. Okay, thank you. That's all for you.